Hey guys, welcome to another GameMaker tutorial. My name is Gal, and today I'm going to show you how to use your mouse in order to draw in your game. This is a specific question that someone asked in some forum, and I wanted to answer, and I found the best way to answer is doing a video. Now, what he asked is how to do. You see this game, and it's loading, so give it a second. You see, if I click the button, it draws those walls. So I'm going to show you how to do it in GameMaker. It's fairly easy. Actually, it's very easy, and I'm just going to show you how to do it. So let's go to GameMaker and let's make a very fast sprite. I'm going to go as SPR block, and I'm going to do edit sprite, new, and I'm just going to draw it into black color, and I'm going to center it. Now I'm going to create an object, and I'm going to create it obj block, and that's going to be the block object, and I'm going to give it the sprite. And now I'm going to create the obj manager, which we will use in order to create all the blocks, and it doesn't need to have a sprite. And I'm going to make a new room, and I'm going to place the obj manager somewhere inside the room, doesn't matter where. And one thing to note is that our grid is 32 on 32. That's the grid that we are going to use in the game as well, and that's the size of our sprite as well. It's 32 to 32, you see. And that's it. Let's go to obj manager now and go into the step event. And in the step event, I'm going to use GML instead. You can also use the event key press if you want, key press left. I'm ready to do it in GML. I already made a video on why. I will link it anyway. The code I'm doing is if how does it go? Mouse right, check, button, MB left. Now what it does is basically say if the user is clicking on the left button in his mouse, and place 3, I'm going to explain, mouse X, mouse Y. This will make sure that there isn't already an object where the user click. And instance create mouse X, mouse Y, obj block. So let's see this code again. If the user is clicking his left mouse button and there is no other instance in the area, you will create obj block in the mouse X and the mouse Y. You obviously should know what mouse X and mouse Y is. If you don't know, it's basically the coordinate where the mouse is. And yeah, alright. So click V and let's play it. And as you can see, if I click, it draws. Now it doesn't look very nice because it doesn't snap to the grid. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the obj block and in the create event, let's see, and I'm going to the create event. I'm going to do a call. I'm going to tell it if place snap right, place snap. Sorry, I forgot the code, so I'm just going to click F1 and type snap, and this is very effective thing to do. You should use it as well. You see there is actually a code here, and which is pretty much ready. I can use it like this, and it will do exactly what I need. I'm just going to put it like this because I like it. And that's the great thing about GameMaker. There is a very good documentation. So if you get how to do something, you just click F1 and search for what you need. And now I'm going to click here. I'm going to click play, and when I click my left button, here we go, it draws. And that's it. Very simple. You can do quite a lot of this. I'm not really sure what, but there are quite a lot of things you can do. If there's anything you want to ask, any specific question, I always love to answer. And hopefully this will help the guy who asked the question, and maybe some of you will also find this helpful. Thank you for watching and see you again.